You are going to love the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, driver memory seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.